Hi there everybody, it's Alexa from Brad Dairy. I was just coming on to show you this 2019 GMC Acadia that we have. It's the SLT trim level and it has about 7,000 and almost 400 miles. You can take a look around. It is this beautiful blue steel metallic color, and as you see, the jet black interior. Just wanted to show you that it does have the power lift gate. We'll come back around. So in the interior, you can see that we have this bench seat. This back, the rear seats are heated, and then there's a third row, and then it also has the dual sunroofs. Then we'll come up to the front. So you can see here, this is where the power lift gate is. Here's your center console that has the 8-inch diagonal touchscreen. It does have Nav, Sirius, and Apple CarPlay. Right here is your remote start. And then some safety features that it does have is that it has the front and rear park assist, the forward collision alert, blind zone, and lane change alert, plus many more. If you guys ever need anything, or if you're interested in this GMC Acadia, please give me a call. My number is 563-230-2131. Thanks again. Bye.